How you doing? I'm Ben. This is Ruben, and he's been sentenced to 12 years in jail. Can you tell me why you're here?
I'm Lily Maria, 10 years. So only talk was a water blooming I'm stop inside. Na Miriam Pilim Pen.
So she was 10. How old were you?
39.
I mean, that is definitely rape, isn't it? You know, she can't consent if she's 10 years old. I mean, it also, I mean, you are a rapist.
I'm not what. I'm not rape.
What do you think rape is?
Meaning rape you put in knife man. You put in knife very less na you put in knife na you trade any mem na you carry mem ko less lo rausi drawi one me you yet by rausi na this na.
Papua New Guinea is one of the most dangerous places to be a woman or girl. That's according to the Human Rights Watch's World Report 2016, which contains some disturbing statistics. The group claims that an estimated 70% of females in the country have either been raped or sexually assaulted at some point in their lives. As the report points out, those acts have been criminalized in the country for a while, and domestic violence was specifically prescribed under the 2013 Family Protection Act. But the group says the government is failing to protect women and girls from those crimes, and few perpetrators are ever brought to justice. The report also describes instances in the country in which violent mobs attack and sometimes kill individuals, mostly women and girls, who are accused of sorcery and witchcraft. The rights group called Papua New Guinea a world leader in failing to protect its women and girls from abuse. For Newsbeat Social, I'm Molly Real.